Hello, everyone. Today we are tackling a hot topic in the fitness and rehabilitation world. Should you keep foam rolling your IT band? Well, my name is Stephen Dunn. I'm a licensed physical therapist practicing for 26 years, and I'm here to explore why that might not be the best idea and what alternatives can help keep this crucial tissue healthy. IT band is a thick strip of connective tissue that runs from your hip bone to the outer part of your knee on the outside of your leg, and it plays a key role in stabilizing the knee during movement. While foam rolling has become a popular tool for dealing with IT band discomfort, it's important to understand the structure and function of what you're rolling. Many turn to foam rolling to relieve pain and improve flexibility in the IT band. However, because the IT band is made of tough tissue, not muscle, rolling directly on it can cause discomfort and may even lead to more irritation. Instead of rolling, a more effective approach focuses on the muscles around the IT band. Strengthening exercises for the hip and thigh muscles, such as clamshells and leg lifts, help support the IT band properly. Adding gentle stretches for your hip flexors, quadriceps, and glutes can also reduce tension in the IT band area. Remember, it's often the surrounding muscles that need the attention, not the IT band itself. Pilates and the gyrotonic method are fantastic for this purpose. These practices improve core strength, alignment, and body mechanics, which all contribute to better IT band health. Sometimes the best thing for IT band discomfort is simply rest. Give your body time to recover and consider ice and anti-inflammatory measures if you're experiencing severe discomfort. If you're struggling with IT band issues, it might be time to rethink the foam roller. Consulting a physical therapist can provide personalized guidance tailored to your specific needs. Interested in learning more about how to keep your IT band healthy without relying on a foam roller? Well, visit us at CORE Therapy Pilates in Westlake Hills, Texas, where we're pioneering holistic approaches to rehabilitation and wellness. One thing I want to share with you that I learned way back in the 90s when I was in physical therapy school was a study that they basically took the IT band of cadavers and they hung an anvil on it that weighed about 100 pounds. And that anvil hung on the IT band for days without there being any measurable difference in the length of the IT band. Now, if they took that same anvil and hung it on a muscle, the quadricep or the glute that we were talking about, again, taken from a cadaver, it would rip and destroy that muscle in a matter of seconds. So if we can hang something that's 100 pounds and it's not going to change that length, then we're not going to change that length with foam rolling. So with that said, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more insights into effective physical therapy practices. Leave a comment below if you have questions or share your experiences with IT band care. See you next time. Y'all have a great day.